Hi everyone, Colin Rand, Director of Dining Services for Urest in Pasadena, and today I am with my sons. This is my oldest Lucas, and this is my youngest Jackson. And one of their favorite things to eat is pizza. Now, we don't always get to go out and order pizza or have it delivered, so we like to change it up a little bit when it comes to the pizza, right guys? So we have a recipe that we like to work and cook together on, and it is an Italian golden cupcake. I know it sounds a little different, but I'm going to show you what it is and how to make it right now. It's very, very easy. It's fun to do with your kids. Now kids, if you're watching this video with your parents, don't do any of it without your parents' permission and help, because it does require the oven, okay? So we've already preset and preheated our oven to 350 degrees. That's the temperature you're going to need for this. So that's already ready, but we're going to prep everything now, and I'm going to have Jackson, you're going to do let's do this. Jackson, you come over here, and Lucas, you come on over here, okay? The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to get out our crescent rolls, okay? And we're just gonna roll these out, break them up, and we're gonna put them into a cupcake tin, all right? And there's 8 of them, so we're gonna do the first 2 rows. So Lucas, I'm gonna have you do that, okay? I'm gonna pop this open, and then you can roll them out. Scare you a little bit?
I'm gonna step back actually.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you roll those out for me, okay? And put them into the tins, spread them around so it covers the entire cup, okay? All right. Throw this away. And then Jackson, you and I are gonna work on the sauce, or the middle that we put into the cupcake, yeah? Does that work? Okay, so what we're gonna need first, we're gonna need some pasta sauce. You can use pasta sauce, pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce. Get something with a little flavor to it. And we're gonna do about 1.5 cups of the sauce. So we're gonna put that in there first. And then we're gonna do an Italian cheese blend, or if you can't find an Italian cheese blend, you can just use mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, okay? So we're gonna put about half of this in here. Now, that's gonna be the base of it. Now, what you can add is anything you want, really, that you would put in a pizza. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some pepperoni. Now, we've got the little mini pepperonis. You want a pepperoni? Yeah, okay. You can add the mini pepperonis, or if you only have regular sized pepperoni, you want to chop it up a little bit, but since we have the minis, we're gonna go ahead and add those into our mix. You can add anything else you want. You can add sausage, you can add artichokes, olives, mushrooms, bell peppers, whatever you like, you can add into this mix. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just add a little bit of an Italian seasoning. This one's brand new. Yep, that's good. Yep. Keep going. So we're gonna add a little bit of an Italian seasoning, and then I want you to go ahead and mix that up, all right? So he's mixing that up. We're still looking over here so you can see we're just adding that, and we're gonna push it down just a little bit more so it's spread out, gets around the whole cup, and we can kind of get the filling right inside of it, okay? Go ahead.
It looks like spaghetti.
That's okay. All right, yep. Does kind of look like spaghetti, huh? With the cheese, looks kind of like a noodle. Yeah?
Think noodles.
Does look like spaghetti, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah?
With
Okay,
pepperoni.
so how are we doing over here?
I'm doing pretty good actually.
Good. Okay.
I'm just a little slow, you know.
That's okay. You take your time. You don't want to rush it if you need to make sure that it's done right. Yeah?
Spaghetti.
Yeah.
So
Make sure
we're
it's
working
right, or
on.
else it won't be the Italia.
We do like our Italian food, don't we? Now, while he's continuing to work on these cupcakes, I'm going to show you a little more of a low carb, or if you're gluten-free, what you can do is instead of using the crescent rolls and putting it inside, what you can do is simply create a different kind of cup out of a large pepperoni. And it's very simple. Instead of pushing down the crescent roll, you're going to use this, and you're going to push down the pepperoni, and then you add your topping right there in the middle of that. The filling goes nice in there as well. So We're still working on these. So now you can see we've got the cupcakes with the crescent rolls and then the low carb gluten-free version of this over on the other side with the large pepperonis. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that yummy filling, we're gonna put it right in.
The spaghetti sauce.
It does look like spaghetti.
Now for the low carb or gluten-free versions, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more cheese. We're gonna add a little more sauce. And then we're gonna add, what we've decided to add is artichokes. I've taken the quartered artichokes and I've chopped them up as well. And then we're also gonna do some sliced olives in this one too. So we'll put that in. All right, go ahead and stir that up. Go ahead and stir that up, yep.
I'm gonna eat it.
Good. Yeah, make sure that all the vegetables, all the toppings get nice and covered with the tomato sauce. What's disgusting? Yeah, the vegetables are good for you, you know that.
No, I don't.
Bruh.
Okay. That in there. Okay. So now we've got that covered. Now, with the rest of the cheese, we're just gonna sprinkle it right on top, okay? So it gives it a nice cheesy coating after you bake it. All right, so. That's good. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take these, we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, after 15 minutes in the oven and then 5 minutes of resting to cool, they are ready to eat. So just use a simple butter knife. Don't need anything too sharp. And you're just gonna pop it off. And they are ready to serve. Jackson, that's for you.
No.
And Lucas, that's for you. And then I'm gonna have one of these low carb, gluten-free versions. They're a little softer just because you don't have the formation of the dough, but you still get the cup action. So let's see, go ahead and try it. Still hot.
Yeah, it's still
Yeah,
hot.
Still a little hot, but good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it good? Good. All right, well, thank you, everyone. Hope you liked this video. If there's anything you'd like to see that we can do, either with your kids or with drinks or any fun foods, let us know. Put a comment below wherever you're seeing this video. Again, Colin Rand for Your Rest Pasadena. We'll see you next time. Cheers.